guys, welcome to my trunk club unboxing. My name is Jen and I think I've got some summery goodness in here. So let's go ahead and crack it on open. If you're not familiar with Trunk Club, they are a style service from Nordstrom. There's a $20 styling fee that does get applied to anything you purchase unless you have a Nordstrom card, which I do not. So I just pay the $25 styling fee. But they do have a referral link, or I have a referral link, and other trunk clubbers do. If you want to try the service, you can use the referral link to get $50 off your first box, and that's how they hooked me. So here I am, and I have been obsessed with trunk clubs ever since I started getting them because they find me some great pieces that actually fit. So extra smalls, petites, things like that. So, and the prices haven't been as bad as I've been expecting, and I don't know, it's just that they've been having a lot of sales, and or because summer clothes is cheaper. I haven't tried this in the winter, so you know, I'm cautiously optimistic when it comes to this service, but I have been very, very pleased with it. So we're gonna go ahead and set this down, and I will pull out each piece, unwrap it, and tell you about it. My hubby's playing a little guitar right now, so hopefully that won't come through on the video. If it is, enjoy the nice background music, which is a man tuning a bass guitar. Okay, so first up we have the Goss. This is the Ace High Rise, and it is button, kind of a lighter wash, and I like it. So it's a longer inseam than I typically like. Raw hem, I think a reinforced raw hem. It might be a longer inseam than I like, but we'll try it, and then, you know, there's always the option to roll. So I like this though. I think it's cute, so we'll give it a try. I haven't had a lot of luck with shorts. I think I'm just super picky on them. You know, you want them to be comfortable. They have to be like the exact right length. Shorts are a challenge. Next up, we have this Liverpool jacket in a peachy blush. Let's see if the tag says. Oh, it's called Dawn Pink. And I actually have Liverpool in one of my other boxes that I'm filming right now, a jacket. So this will be perhaps a battle of the Liverpool jackets, and it's a blush color. So we'll see. Now this is just an extra small. It's not an extra small or petite. So we'll see if that fits. Just me and jackets are a little bit of a challenge, getting stuff that fits me right. Okay, then we have by Chelsea 28 this blazer here. Now I don't wonder if she sent this because I fell in love with boyfriend blazer I got in, I think, my first trunk club. So this is actually very similar to it, so I'm actually a little surprised that she sent it to me because I already have kind of this plaid look to it, but maybe she just went with what she knew I liked. I don't know. It is extra small, so I look forward to seeing how that fit is. This one is definitely a different color. I do not like the feel of this one. Okay, so this is an eco-friendly pant, so now I feel bad for having dissed it, by PTCL. And our product is made from recycled or sustained certified fabrics using the most advanced eco-friendly technology. Now the reason why I didn't like these is this feels like a stiffer, older style denim. So I'm just a big fan of just super stretchy. So we'll see how this is. And I don't know what I feel about this color. This is kind of a light neon green, I would say. So that's, I don't know, we'll see. We'll see once we get it on. Maybe I will fall in love with it. Okay, Madewell black tee extra small. Now I did see, because with Trunk Club, they give you a preview ahead of time and you can decline items that you don't want have sent to you, and then they'll send you replacements for those. But I did see that these, my friends, are on sale for 13 bucks. So she actually sent me 2 of these, and I think 2 out of 2 will be staying with me. I have been wearing my Madewell tees a lot. I like them a lot. Here's the other one in a tan color. Yep, I like it. Probably staying. Then we have by Vince, this is a crew neck gray and white tee. Again, a nice, just kind of soft, comfortable tee that looks actually pretty small and form-fitting, which, you know, maybe a nice change to a looser, flowier one. We'll see. It is an extra small, so I don't know. I like it. Now by the Fulton, we have, oh, blank NYC. Fulton is kind of the version name. This is the roll-up short. So we have a seamed on the side, rolled short. It is distressed on the front, not so much in the back, but just mostly distressed, heavily distressed. Although it's kind of in most areas except over the pocket, it's like a reinforced distress, so you can't stick your fingers through, which I actually prefer. So keeps me a little bit more modest. All right, I'm interested in trying these. I haven't tried blank NYC shorts. What are you? Is this a jumpsuit, my friends? Okay, we have, or you dress? Yes, a jumpsuit. Kind of a crepe material, wide leg, and this is a little bit more revealing of a top than I would ever wear. So this will not be staying for this reason, but I will at least try it on for you guys, and I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Brand on this was Astr, A-S-T-R, and I believe this last piece is a dress by Madewell. It is a ribbed short sleeve dress in mauve, and it might be a little bit more bodycon than I was hoping for, so I do need to pay a little bit more attention to that when I'm previewing the trunk as far as what might be bodycon. So this definitely looks like it's gonna be snug. It is an extra small too, so I might in my notes to her just kind of say anything that's tight like this I have to size up. I mean, I wouldn't even do probably an extra small in this. I would probably do a small this type of thing. So okay, really happy with my trunk. Again, another great trunk from the looks of it, and I'm so excited to try this stuff on, so let's get to it. Okay, first up we have the dress, and I'm very pleasantly surprised. It feels like it fits perfectly. It's not a super tight bodycon like I was concerned, so it's not like it's going, you know, around here. It's got a little bit of snugness, but not bad. Nice thickness to it. Like, I feel like if I'm wanting to go summery, but actually try to stay a little bit warm, which is like everywhere I go, so I could throw on this piece. This is 100% going to be a matter of the price. Okay, next up we have the blazer and the jumpsuit. The blazer, again, they send me such great fitting blazers. It feels really, really good. So I think it's really cute. What do you guys think of this? I just don't think I need it because they already sent me a blazer with this type of pattern. So, but it's actually really thick and warm, so it feels really great. We're maybe on the blazer. We're still a maybe. Now, the jumpsuit. The jumpsuit is almost a perfect fit if it wasn't for what's happening here. And what's happening here is this is just too, I mean, this, no. So, this is not great. There, you can see it now. It's covered. So, but it's a great length. Great length. I mean, I just have sandals on with it and it's not dragging on the ground, but I feel like I could wear some heels with it too if I wanted. So, and then the fit here is kind of why I was just really impressed, because it's, again, a little bit snug, but not too snug. So I really like it. Almost perfect. It just needs a different, you know, if it was just like a straight across top up here, then I would love that. Or if this tie was like up here, that'd be super great. So there we go. Starting with the jacket, I feel like, so this is Liverpool. I have a Liverpool jacket in my wantable box. Spoiler alert, I'm not sure which one will get posted first. So, but I feel like that one felt a little bit more snug than this one. This one feels a little bit more boxy and loose. So I just don't think is a great fit, but it's very pretty. I like the peachish color. And then we have the black Madewell tee. Love the Madewell tops. They're great. They fit great. The shorts, the feel of it is great. It just needs like another inch or half of an inch for me to feel super comfortable in it. It's just a little bit shorter, but other than that, these were almost perfect. It just needs to be a little bit longer. But I do like the distressing on it. Once again, these were the ones that kind of had the reinforced distressing, so I can't stick my finger through there, and I appreciate that. So What do you guys think? Are these in fact too short? Usually when I think something's too short, you guys actually agree with me on that. So here's my 360. Here's the other Madewell tee. I like it. I like the color. I would wear it. The shorts. Now these feel good. These feel really, really good. Because this is my short brand, evidently. I got a green Vegas in one of my wannables and it felt really, really good. And these feel good. These feel great. I'm happy with these. Now, they're maybe a little bit longer than I like. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? But, you know, I could easily do a little roll on it. No, I feel like that's a little bit too short. Shorts are not easy, man. Inseams, you know, some people know exactly what inseam they like. I don't. And because it almost just varies short to short. So here I am rolling it up just like a ½ inch. And now it's like, I don't know, I'm not sure about it. Feels a little short now. What do you guys think? Rolled up, rolled down. Either way, these are probably staying because they feel really, really good. And I like a short that feels good. Okay, last up is this striped tee. It's actually a quite form-fitting shirt, which I thought it might be because they look tiny. So, I don't know. I would maybe even consider sizing up in it if I kept it. And whether I keep it's okay. I mean, it's a fine top. It's fine. But if it's like super, super cheap, I think I would consider keeping it or sizing up in it. So we'll see, because it is nice and it feels soft and okay. And then the green jeans. You'll notice I'm wearing the shorts again. That's because green jeans I could not get up. Now, they were sized down, and I've noticed that in pants they kind of vary between two sizes in what they sent me. And they sent me the lower of the sizes, and the jeans had no stretch in them. So when you get a lower size and there's no stretch, there's no getting them up. I maybe could have got them on if I tried for a solid half an hour, but that's just not worth it, guys. I was not in love with them to start out with. So, all right, time for prices and decide what to keep. All right, guys, hopefully you are about to be pleasantly surprised at the prices of these pieces. Now, I went on their website, and because I have noticed that sometimes it appears that over time some things might go down in price. So this morning I went on the website and kind of compared it to the price sheet here, and yes, there are several things that went down, you know, $10 or something like that. So I was really happy with that. So, and this is very, very affordable box. Really happy with that. Okay. Also on their website, they have the original price of things, which I always think is very interesting because I like to feel like I'm getting a really awesome deal. So the Vince Essential Striped Prima Cotton Tee, originally $85, now $25.50. Great price, especially if it was originally $85. I know that Vince is a great brand, but still, I'm going to have a lot of other stuff that I'm interested in keeping. So from a priority standpoint, not going to keep that. The two Whisper Cotton V-neck pocket tees by Madewell, they are originally $19.50 and they are listed for $13.65. They're both staying. Although I will notice that this one, this brown one, it says it's silver, so that's a little bit different, but I really like it, and these tees are getting a lot of wear, so those are both keepers. Then we have the Sickly Jumpsuit by ASTR The Label, and this is $128. This is not on sale. That is the original price. It was a great fit, bottom half, really happy with the length, happy with how it fit around the bum and waist. It just, the top was just way too low cut and revealing, and also it was a $128 jumpsuit, so not gonna keep that. Okay, then we have the denim trucker jacket by Liverpool, originally $98, which I think is pretty standard for a Liverpool jacket, and it is on sale for $44.10. So that is a great price, great deal or not if I don't reach for it because I don't feel like it's a great fit, then it is not a keeper for me. So that's a shame because, like I said, a great price, but I like jackets I'm actually going to reach for. Then we have Again, this sheet says red, but this is the Madewell ribbed button front mini dress, originally $75. It is $41.65. If I really like this dress, and I'm gonna put it in like the maybe pile. I would like your guys' feedback on this piece. It's cute. I feel like it's a good fit. I like that it's a thicker dress to kind of keep me warm in the summer, which is not a phrase that people usually say, but you do if you're Jen. But my hesitation is I have a lot of dresses already, so I don't really necessarily need it. But what do you guys think? Then the plaid blazer by Chelsea 28, originally $108, now on sale for $33.74. You know, that's such a great price. It really is, but it's so similar to the other blazer. Let me grab the other blazer. So I guess this one is more of a checkered, but how many like black and white blazers does one need? And I really love this one. And let's put them both on for perspective. Sorry, my summary is becoming a little bit of a try on. So, all right, so backing this up a little bit, here this blazer is. Love it, great fit. Crap, I love this blazer. Okay, well now I feel like I love this one too. I really don't need them both though. I mean, we can both agree on that, right? It's a great fit, super cute. I just don't need it. Okay, next, let's keep going. We have the Distressed Denim Short by Blank NYC, and this is usually $68. It's on sale for $25.50. That is a great price. My biggest issue with this is just this was a bit of a short, but I don't have any black denim shorts. So that's potentially something I can get in the future. I just wasn't sure that this was great enough for me to keep. That's such a great price. Okay, it's going in the maybe pile. Then we have by PTCL the high waist skinny jeans. These are $39. That is the original price. They are not on sale. That's a great price. Couldn't get them on. It doesn't have a lot of stretch to it, so obviously not going to keep that. Then we have the Ace Denim Shorts by the Goss. These are originally $45. Get it for $22.61. I mean, was this not a very affordable trunk club? I was very, very, very impressed with this one. Oh, and I'm going to keep these. I felt like they just felt really good, and I could throw a roll on it if I'm feeling like I want to show a little bit more leg, or I can wear it down if I'm feeling a little bit more covered up. So the Vegas shorts and the two Madewell tees are my definite yeses, and the dress and the black shorts are my maybes. Love, love, love to get your guys' feedback. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I don't have any final decisions. I am a terrible, terrible decision maker. I need help. So thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe below, and because I would greatly appreciate that. And hopefully we will see you in the next video. All right, bye.